Hello everyone. So here's the app called Music X Full Music Player. Music app was deleted and removed from the App Store, unfortunately. So now there is an alternative called Music X Full Music Player. Browse, search, and listen. So this music's then this app lets you bookmark and organize your favorite music videos, build playlists, and that's basically the idea. Uh, this app is kind of similar to music. The main thing is that you can just easily organize everything in playlists. You can import videos like from YouTube, and basically you're just playing YouTube music, but this app is just really good at organizing. So for example, you can just see it in here, and then you can see all these playlists generated for you. Then you can just explore all these new releases, charts, moods, and genres, new music videos. I don't know, like YouTube is doing some not really good job with organizing music, and YouTube Music app is not that good for some reason. So that's why there are so many of these apps, and this is one of the good ones, Music X. And then there are also a lot of these radio stations. Then there is your account. Then if you wanted to use this app without ads, then you can just have monthly $3 per month, yearly $18 just to have it. Or then you can just log in with YouTube as well. So that's what it is.